What up, family? It's your boy Big Gator, and we back with another one. And as you can see, I got some work in front of me. Had a thing for barbecue today, so that's what we're gonna give a try. I took a trip over to DJ Thomas Smoke Barbecue. That's on the south side of Albany, right down the street from the greatest high school ever. If you know, you know. Check it out. We're gonna get into this in a second, but I'm gonna let y'all take a quick look at what we got going on. I'll be right back. What up, family? Glad to have y'all back. Now that y'all had a look at the restaurant and the work we got on the table, we're gonna jump into it. But real quick, I know y'all saw a loaded sausage dog, and it ain't quite here. I got my pulled pork and I got my barbecue plate. But the loaded sausage dog was actually for Mrs. Gator. She ain't playing that. So we're gonna jump into what we got here. We're gonna give it a run and we're gonna give it a rate. So first off, we're gonna rip open this box here. We got some bread, white bread with barbecue. Can't go wrong. But we got us some baked beans, some potato salad, got some chicken, we got some ribs. Well, a rib. I ain't want to do too much pork, so I got a rib because I had to taste it for y'all and let y'all know. So honestly, we're going to jump at the rib first. And it's a smoked rib, so you can definitely see a smoke ring. Look pretty good, so we're going to jump into it and see how it works. Real good. And straight off the bone. Good bite. It is tender. I can go for a little bit more salt on it, but it's good work. It's definitely a good rib. We're gonna jump at a piece of this chicken next. Well, you know what? We'll hold off on the chicken. Let's try the sides. Why not try them first? We're gonna jump at these baked beans. Get y'all a quick look here at these baked beans. They look like they taste pretty good, so we're gonna jump at them. I mean, they baked beans. They good baked beans, but they baked beans. I prefer mine a little bit sweeter, but they are good baked beans, so I can't argue with that. So we're gonna take a taste of this potato salad here. Let's see how this potato salad here. I'm taking a look at that right now. Ugh, hair in my face. Oh, that potato salad tastes like somebody's grandma made it. Got a little sweetness from the relish in it. You know, mustard in the potato salad. Good. Definitely good. Now we're gonna take a jump at this chicken. I'm a chicken person, so almost every video y'all gonna see me eating chicken. But it is smoked well. Nice color on it. Looks like it's seasoned pretty good here. So I'll jump at this chicken here. Thanks for boom. Oh, I have mercy, y'all. I'm eating barbecue and getting sloppy. But that's good. It's actually seasoned very simply. It tastes just like just salt and pepper. Really good. Not overdone. I can't argue with it. We got some sauce here too. So I'm gonna try the chicken with the sauce. I'm gonna take a dunk here. I'm assuming that this is a homemade sauce from over there at DJ Thomas Smoke Barbecue. Yes, I did lick my fingers. The sauce definitely kicks it up a notch. That's good. That's real good with that sauce. Y'all ought to give it a try with the sauce. And now we got this big boy here. I want to wait and open this up in front of y'all. Because this is a pulled pork sandwich on 3 pieces of bread. So you know that thing got to be juicy. If they got an extra piece of bread down there to catch some of that juice. So we're going to take a hit at this right here. Looks like it got the sauce already in the sandwich. My God, my God. So we're gonna take a bite of this right here. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Good nice. That's gonna get sloppy. We're gonna hold on to some of that for later. Goodness. That's a good bite. Hold on. Wait a minute. I had that again. That's a good bite, y'all. That's definitely a good sandwich there. Jesus. Mm. All in all, I have no complaints. That's a good barbecue plate. I was in the mood for barbecue today, and this barbecue plate is hitting. To be honest, it's gonna get some more work a little bit later. But if I were to give this barbecue a rating on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd definitely give this a 4.5 all day long. So y'all go check out DJ Thomas Smoked Barbecue, south side of Albany, Georgia. I'm gonna put the address on screen for y'all. Reach out to them. Tell them Big Gator said holla. Catch y'all next time. Appreciate it.